You know, I said to all my MPs, we are in the business of public service. We're not in it for ourselves. We're not in it to make ourselves better. We are in it to make your life better off. And the moment that you feel that you are in politics for yourself, then I say to all of my MPs, the moment that it is appearing that you are in it for yourself and not for the people, that is the time when you should leave the scene as a politician.
We don't have a problem with a 200 or 300 or 500% increase, except when it is for the person or groups for whom it would get them to a position where they can have a livable wage. But for those for whom a 200% increase would really make very little difference in the standard of living that they have, it's not fair.
He's the one person says that he's not taking up. That don't work. It's unacceptable. What about the teachers? What about the minimum wage? What about all of us as citizens of Jamaica who are struggling, especially those who have children who have to cut corners every single day? Think about the teachers. I have many friends who are teachers and police, and they feel it.
I think this is going to be, a big thing coming. We have a revolution kind of taking place here in that sense that people are ready to speak up and show that we're serious about bringing Jamaica into a more equal space.
Right is right and wrong is wrong. This is wrong. Plain and simple. This is just downright wrong, 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 wrong.
The next time that they want a raise, we can be like, yes, this is great because you guys work so hard. We see the changes in our streets, in our hospitals, in our fire stations, in our schools, and then we can feel like, yes, you deserve a raise, you deserve everything, because we see the changes on the ground where people can afford their groceries and they don't have to try and cut back here and there just to make ends meet.
There's going to have to be a complete revamp of the entire system that's going to be governing the salary increases and how or which body determines who gets what salary. It can't be the parliament that determines that. It has to be an independent body.
Style is what I call